Hey guys, I'm going to be trying something funny for you, devastating, or amazing for me. But either way, no, it could be funny. I don't know. So here's an egg, and I'm going to put you somewhere. Let's figure out where to put you. Okay. So there you are. And I'm going to put this egg, it's a whole egg by the way, into this paper sack. I mean, not paper, but plastic. And then, I'm going to put a little bit of water in the sack. And then I'm going to fill it up a little bit more and put it in the microwave. But I don't know how long, so we'll see. So then, I put it in. Oh, that's not going to be enough time at all. I'm going to put it in for 5 minutes. Well, that microwaves, let me explain to you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a bag over my head and put it, I'm going to go make some things, a tire over, and then I'm going to go outside and I'm going to do this. And if the egg is raw, I get covered in egg yolk. But if it's not, oh well, it's a hard, because right now it's either hard boiling or like cooking or staying raw or whatever. But I'm going to go get my tire ready. So I was looking for, I was doing this. And I put it in for 5 minutes, and all of a sudden I hear this pop. And then I was like, whoa, I don't want to blow up my microwave. So I look in there, and I have absolutely no idea what happened. I feel like my egg exploded. Let's go find out. Oh, and so stupid. Okay. Well, I need gloves. Just for the record, this was so not supposed to happen, but I feel like my egg exploded. So this is what we have here. You can't see anything because of the water. So open it up. That looks effing disgusting. I think it's hard boiled though. Hot liquids, hot. Ow! I saw this really cool thing where do that. Gotta get it out. Come on, egg. Be a trooper. Okay. Well, hold on. Have you guys seen this yet? Ow. My egg exploded. Okay. So then just put this thingy on. And this is how you get rid of the shells. That so was not cooked. But it exploded. Oh my goodness gracious. Stay over there. Look at this. There's your hard-boiled egg. So this is not what was supposed to happen. It was supposed to go over my head and go on top of my head. And then that was supposed to be it. Like, just crack it. But it did this and it exploded and it was pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna say this video is over with. Thank you for watching my exploding egg video. Okay, I'm gonna go take a bunch of Snapchats now. Bye.